Hello everyone, the topic is energy stored in a capacitor. The work done in charging a capacitor is stored in the capacitor in the form of electrical energy. So we consider capacitor C having capacity C and having zero charge initially. Let it be charged by connecting it to battery. So let at one stage during the process of charging it possess Q dash charge. So initially, during charging it possess charge Q dash and potential difference V dash. So we know that by the definition of capacitance, charge is equal to Q dash is equal to CV dash, because capacity is charge per unit potential difference and charge is directly proportional to potential. So this is equal to CV dash. Calculate the value of V dash from here. This is Q dash by C. Say that this is equation number 1. The work done in charging the capacitor from 0 to Q value is given by, because initially the capacitor is uncharged, the work done in charging capacitor from 0 to Q value. So the work done is W. This is equal to integration for the total work done from 0, because initially the capacitor is uncharged, from 0 to Q value. So this is V dash dQ dash. This is the work done, because potential is work per unit charge. We can calculate the value of work from here. So work is equal to potential into Q. So here is V dash, dQ is a small charge. So now we integrate this from 0 to Q value. Put the value of V dash. So W is equal to integration from 0 to Q. The value of V dash from previous equation is Q dash by C dQ dash. So now this is equal to 1 by C is constant, taking outside 0 to Q. Integration with respect to Q is Q dash dQ dash. So now integrate this equation. This is equal to 1 by C. For integration here is Q dash. Add 1 in the power of Q dash. Here the power of Q dash is 1. So 1 plus 1 is 2. Q dash square over divided by same power, limit from 0 to Q. So this work done W is equal to 1 by C. Taking 2 outside, here is Q dash. So put Q in place of Q dash. Here is Q square, upper limit minus lower limit is 0. So here is 0. So work done is equal to 1 by 2 Q square by C. This is the work done. So electrostatic force is conservative. This work done is stored inside the capacitor in the form of electrical energy. So this is the work done stored in the form of electrical energy in the capacitor. When the capacitor is discharged, this stored energy is released. So again we can write this expression in another form. We know that W is equal to 1 by 2 Q square by C. So we know that Q is equal to CV. We can put this value here. So W is equal to 1 by 2 CV whole square. This is the value of Q from this formula over C. C cancel. So this is equal to 1 by 2 CV square. So this work done is stored in the form of electrical energy in the capacitor. So this here is U for energy. So this is equal to 1 by 2 CV square. Also we can write it as 1 by 2 Q by V into V square. The value of C is, because C is charge per unit potential. This is the another formula. So 1 is cancelled. So U is equal to 1 by 2 Q V. So we have three formulas for this potential. So we have three formula for this energy. This is equal to, the first is 1 by 2 Q square by C. Other is 1 by 2 CV square from this. And the third one is 1 by 2 QV. So this is the second, this is the third. So these are the formulas used for energy stored in capacitor. For any numerical, we can use different formula according to the given values. Thank you.